Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a parent-child relationship between two layers in After Effects. This means that I work upon one layer and give it transformation properties, and the second layer, just by being a child to the parent layer, is going to follow the same properties of its parent layer. Let's start. So here I have an After Effects project which I've just opened, and I'm going to show you how to parent two layers in After Effects, which means that whatever properties I apply to one layer are going to then be automatically applied to the second layer. So I have a bunch of layers which I've got already imported here. I'm going to drag these two layers together into a new composition this way. It asks me if I want to create a composition using the dimensions from the background movie layer or from the compass layer. And I want to use it from the background movie layer. So I'm going to choose this, press OK, and here's my new composition now with my background layer as this beautiful blue sky, and the compass layer sits on top of that. Let's scroll through and see what we've got. We've got a compass which opens, and that's just about it. Not very useful at this moment in time. Using the text tool, I'm going to click anywhere on the background layer and type in the words road trip. Watch this layer down here which says text, and this will convert to the words road trip when I press enter. All right, there you go, road trip. I'm going to go and choose this. Go to the layer, transform, fit to composition width. That basically means that it's now fitted to the entire width of this. I want to apply an effect, an evaporation effect onto it. So I'm going to go to the window, effects and presets, and I'm just going to type evaporate over here and drag that onto road trip. Right now the words road trip are there when we start, and they evaporate out to nothingness. What I want to do is I want to reverse it. I want to start with nothing on the screen, and I want the words road trip to evaporate in. So here's how I'm going to do it. In my road trip layer, I'm going to open the range selector, click on the word offset, and both the keyframes get selected. Then I'm going to go to animation, keyframe assist, and time reverse keyframes. It starts with nothing and it comes in and it stays there. So it starts from nothing and it comes in, and then it just stays on for the rest of it, which is great. I'm going to press scale. So what I want is, once it's fully there, on the scale property of the word road trip, I'm going to click the stopwatch and set a keyframe. And here I'm going to set another keyframe. And now, by sliding on the X and the Y axis markers, I'm going to reposition the word road trip to where I want it to be. And you'll see that a keyframe gets automatically added in at this point. Now I'm going to move it to the new position that I want it to be at. I'm going to check if it works the way I need it to. So it starts off with nothing and it fades into road trip. It also simultaneously moves to its final position. But the position of the compass and the word road trip are very different. They don't move together. So I'm going to create a parent-child relationship between the compass and the word road trip. And the child will follow the parent wherever it goes. So I want the compass to follow the eye from the road trip. Hence, I'm going to make the compass the child and make the layer called road trip the parent. So I'm going to choose the compass layer, the one I want to make a child. I'm going to go to this place and I'm going to say, make the parent road trip. That's all it is. Just go here, choose this. And now when I do this, it moves with it. Wherever I move it, it moves. And that's how you create a parent-child relationship in After Effects.